Are you tired of sticky batter overflow and bulky waffle irons? We found the solution. Vertical fill waffle makers are changing breakfast forever. They save counter space, eliminate mess, and deliver perfectly even browning. We're ranking the top 5 vertical waffle makers, from the budget saver to the Cuisinart King. Let's find your perfect breakfast machine. Kicking off the list is the Oster DuraCeramic. It uses a unique coating that cooks waffles up to 30% faster than standard non-stick, making it ideal for busy mornings. It's PFOA and PTFE free, scoring high on health, but some users report slightly less consistent browning than our top picks. Still a great budget choice for quick breakfasts. Moving up, we have the other Oster model, featuring the DiamondForce coating. This promises Oster's longest-lasting, most scratch-resistant, non-stick surface. The vertical design is great for spill prevention, but the browning control is automatic, which some advanced users found limiting. Perfect for easy, consistent, and mess-free results. At number 3 is the unique Gourmia dual pour maker. This model features 2 separate fill spouts, meaning you can pour 2 different batters or mix-ins at once. It's a true vertical design that takes up minimal space. While the dual pour is fun, you must ensure your batter is thin enough to flow through both channels easily. A fun, innovative choice. The runner-up is the Ninja NeverStick PRO. Its coating is legendary. You'll get 0 sticking. It includes a precision pour cup that makes overflow practically impossible. You get 5 shade settings for customizable texture. While it comes at a higher price, the flawless non-stick and easy cleanup make it worth the investment for waffle perfectionists. The Cuisinart Vertical Waffle Maker is our champion. Its design is the ultimate space saver. Crucially, it has 5 browning settings for ultimate control over your waffle's crispiness. The included measuring scoop ensures every waffle is perfect, top to bottom. It's fast, consistent, and delivers flawless Belgian results. This is the top pick for serious waffle enthusiasts. That's our definitive ranking. Say goodbye to spills and hello to perfect, fluffy waffles every time. Which vertical waffle maker will you choose? Let us know in the comments. All direct links and the best prices are in the description below. Like and subscribe for more kitchen reviews.